Ew, it's snowing. It snowed so much that my candy canes are like covered. I'm so sad. This is the, I think, first time the dogs will be in deep snow. Got a little jacket on, being able to have one. Go potty. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. Hope you're not peeing on your jacket. Whoa, it's deep. Papa loves it. I think Beanie does too. Good girl. Very quickly before I leave for work, because it's going to be so short, I'm going to have to do something when I come home tonight to make it longer. But I'm wearing literally all black. Sweatshirt, H&M. Pants are from H&M. They just have the little zipper on them. And then my boots look like that. They are the, what are they called? The Nike Lunar Force 1 duck boot. Black on black. These are from Foot Locker. I got them last month, I think, when they were on sale. I gotta leave for work, so I'll see you later. It's so cold out and it's snowing. Save me. Hey guys, I am home from work. I took all my work clothes off. As soon as I got in here, put some comfy ones on. Took out my damn contacts. Good. Now I'm about to my McDonald's. Yum yum, get in my tongue. I guess I'm gonna make tonight a mukbang as well. So hopefully you guys like these videos. Got a Coke. Got some fries, and then I got some chicken nuggets with some signature sauce. If you haven't tried the sauce is amazing. It's so good. And you guys should feel special that I'm recording that I record mukbangs, because I usually sit here, watch some YouTube, and don't record anything. So you should feel special. Ew. The McDonald's we go to does not know how. We didn't go to a normal McDonald's. Went to a different one that was closer to my work. They do not know how to make French fries. No. But I'll still eat them. Yeah, so I don't know what to talk about. Work was good. Kinda boring because it was snowing and people obviously didn't want to come out in it, which I wouldn't have either if I didn't have to work. Then I would have not left the house today. Yeah, I'm sorry these vlogs are so terrible, but I'm behind on videos. So yeah, I obviously have to post them or I would have missed 2 videos. And that can't happen, so yeah, I'll do this. And then tomorrow's vlog will be a regular vlog because I have off. I have off until Monday. So yeah. Are you guys ready for Christmas? I am. I just have to buy a couple more gifts for people, and then I'm 100% done, which will be good. And yeah, feels good. Also hopefully this lighting isn't terrible because it looks up. So hopefully when I edit this video I can bump up the brightness and stuff so it doesn't look too bad. You are inside my Christmas tree right now again. Clearly you can tell right here. I mean, Christmas is so soon. So that means Vlogmas is coming so close to ending. Which I'm sad and happy about at the same time. I'm sad because I like talking to y'all and like posting videos, but then I'm also happy because posting every day is so hard when you have a job and stuff. So yeah, but I will still be posting even after Vlogmas, so look out for that. I gotta wrap some more gifts as well. Literally almost forgot about that. I'm done with Christmas shopping and then the gifts aren't even wrapped. Most of them are at least. So, gotta spend time doing that one day. And yeah. Also, hopefully it's not snowing tomorrow. Which I mean, tomorrow when you're seeing this is what I mean. It's tomorrow for me, but it's today for you guys. Makes sense? I don't know. But hopefully it isn't snowing because it's so annoying. And hopefully it's not too cold where I'm gonna freeze tomorrow. I don't really know what else I was talking about. So, yeah. I'm eating my chicken nuggets. I'll probably watch some YouTube and then edit this because it clearly has to get edited. God, that was at 9:49. I was gonna say, biatch. It's already been an hour. There's no way. But it's only 8:49. These are gross. McDonald's, what are you doing? These are not crispy. Be sad. And I can't go crisp them up in our air fryer because my brother's sleeping because he has to get up so early tomorrow. Ew. Well, whatever. I'll eat them. Because I'm hungry. If you don't know, that's what the signature sauce looks like. It's like a orangey kind of color. I don't know. But it is so good. Where'd my napkin go? Oh. Right in front of my face. I'm going to end this here because I don't know what to talk about and I'm gonna lay down. So yeah, look forward to a vlog tomorrow. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below to see future videos and the rest of Vlogmas. Social medias are all in the description box as well. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.